Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about smooth low portion SLP coin, guys. Unfortunately, smooth low portion chain, this is going completely negative in the market. So people ask me questions that what should we do in the right now situation is there is a possibility that the price of SLP smooth low portion will become positive in the future or not. So let me explain part, guys. If you're new here, if you don't subscribe to our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. The currently latest price of smooth low portion is about 0.062695 USD dollar. That is the current price of smooth low portion. Other side, if we talk about the changes, so completely negative changes occur in the SLP coin. So that's very bad for all of you. But you know what? I believe that it's good for all of you, because you know what? I believe that after fast there is a jump, guys. After night there's a G. Let me show you just a price chart. My prediction is going positive. You know what? From 6th October, from whole October month, the changes of smooth low portion is going negative 6.29% the price jump. But I believe that very soon you found SLP coins in the huge pump, and in the beginning of November you found SLP coin is in the huge pump. So just hold. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Click the subscribe button right now for more update and news videos.